Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? These stunning birds can stand on one leg for hours, looking graceful. Next up, the octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. How cool is that? They can also change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. Now, let's talk about the hummingbird, the only bird that can fly backwards. These tiny birds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Wow! Did you know that sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together? This adorable behavior helps them avoid drifting apart in the water. Lastly, the axolotl can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its heart. These unique creatures are often called Mexican walking fish but are actually amphibians.